Hi, welcome back to my Planet B. In this video, we are framing the walls for our future workshop. We start by building the true walls that run the full length of the building and will be the load-bearing walls of the roof. This step involved a lot of head scratching, mainly because the door frame we've got would dictate the height of the wall. And we wanted this wall to be as short as possible so we comply with permitted development regulations. Let me remind you that this is not a how-to video, this is how we've done it. If you're considering building anything in your garden, first thing you need to do is check with your local authorities if you can build it. We laid out the timber on the floor, nailed it together and raised the wall. For framing, we use roughly one upright every 400 mm 16 inch. This will help with the sheeting later. I will do a separate video all about the framing of these walls, where we'll take a deep dive into the structural details of this build. On the true walls, we added a layer of OSB on each side. This will keep the wall square and plumb. Now we have the two end or butt walls to do. These will have a 5-degree slope on it, so we build them slightly different. This involved a bit more head scratching, but we made it through. The main challenge in these walls was fitting a header for the windows. And yes, we'll have windows in every wall. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. When we raised the true walls previously, we left them tilting out slightly to help raise the butt walls. You can see that on the top right side of the wall. I then went round all 4 corners, checking if they are square and leveled, and then screwing the walls together. To finish off, we add the second top plate, which will overlap and screw in the corner of the true wall. We were in a hurry to get the walls up and temporarily covered, so we didn't film many details. This is mainly a time lapse of us building the walls. We added the outside layer of OSB, leaving a 3 mm gap in between the boards to allow for expansion, as we did when we built the floor in our previous video. I trimmed the OSB flush to the top plate, and that is it. I threw some 2x6 OSB and a tarp over it, and we have a makeshift roof. This allows us to have a sheltered area to work from on our next step, which is building the roof. Please hit the like button and subscribe to follow our journey. Until then, thanks for watching.